Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be another food haul, and I'm really excited about this because a lot of you guys actually really enjoy these videos and have been requesting them in the comment section of my previous videos. So here is another one, and I'm also going to be sharing some tips, tricks, and also money saving strategy before going to the market. I know it sounds like really technical and really serious, but it's not. It's really easy, and all I'm going to do is share the ways that I'm saving money and the way that I am really getting full use of everything that I buy at the market. So it's really helpful. I learned a lot of things from girlfriends, my mom, or on Pinterest, believe it or not. So yeah, I cannot wait to get into this video. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. And let's get started. Okay, so before we get into the video, I'm going to share a few of my tips and tricks. It's definitely more than just couponing, because some stores you can't coupon. So what I suggest doing is downloading some apps that are going to help you either make some lists and really utilize everything that you already have in your refrigerator or in your pantry and make meals going off of that. So all you'll need to do is buy rice, or all you need to do is buy the meat for the produce you already have in your refrigerator. So it's really, really handy to write it out, map it out, kind of meal plan before going to the grocery store. Now I did this in my last grocery run, so instead of having like 4 or 5 bags, I only had 2 bags of groceries, which is like unheard of for me. Now this video is not sponsored. I'm just telling you, one woman to another, one mom to another, this is like the best thing ever. Also, depending on the stores that you guys go to, you might have coupons either online or in mailers that come, you know, in the mail, duh. Or you can also download apps for that particular grocery store. But today I did go to Trader Joe's, and unfortunately there's not, you know, a ton you can do as far as coupon cutting and things like that. But I found that following them on Instagram and following their fan pages on Instagram has really helped me discover new items and then also see what's on sale so I can hurry up and go and take advantage of those cool cut downs. I know places like Vons, they actually keep track of the items that you purchase. And if you are a repeat offender, which I feel like all of us are all like creatures of habit and buy a lot of the same things over and over again, they will actually send you notifications or emails through the app or through your email and give you coupons on the things that you already buy, thanks to using a club card, which also saves you money. For Trader Joe's, I had to implement the whole meal planning situation. So I know this haul is going to be super duper random, but I promise I'm actually making meals. So if you guys would like to see like what my family eats in a day, I can definitely do that for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to talk about are the things that I bought that are frozen, which is not very much because I don't like to buy too much frozen food, but you know, gotta live, especially us working moms who are super busy. There are really good options for frozen food, so there is no judgment here, and if anybody wants to judge, take it somewhere else. So the first thing that I always buy at Trader Joe's would have to be rice. These cook in about 3 minutes and they're super affordable. But I love this jasmine rice. Jude loves this jasmine rice, and it goes with every dish you can think of, especially this chicken teriyaki, this mandarin orange chicken. They actually sell these two items, the same brand and everything, at Vons, and I think it's about $4 more expensive. Can you imagine that? I know, it's kind of shocking when I find something at Trader Joe's that's less expensive there than it is at Vons or Albertsons. Because I feel like a lot of people have it in their head that everything at Trader Joe's is so expensive, but if you shop right, I'm telling you, it can be affordable. And the last frozen item that I bought was these multi-grain toaster waffles. So they're frozen waffles, and I just pop them into the toaster, chop them up, and drizzle them with a light, you know, syrup or what have you. And I think that syrup, I think I got this at Trader Joe's as well. So this is the maple syrup that I got. I hate maple syrup. Ugh. The smell seriously grosses me out. And then also, when I'm making a salad, I cut things up, and instead of, you know, if you're only using a part of your onion, you're not going to throw it away. You're going to want to keep it. So what I do is I make little kind of like salad kits. So So here is like some greens. I also have a half an onion, a quarter of a pear, and a lime. And this will help me create a salad in like 2 minutes. Next up, we have some pork chops. And another money-saving tip is to actually pick them up and sift through them. I've also taught this trick to Jude, so he rummages through them as well. Now, when you're buying meat, you're going to pay attention to a couple of things. Number one, the price, obviously, because they do market by price over at Trader Joe's. And this one in particular is $8.01, but there were some that were $14 for 3 pieces. So this is 3 pieces, but only $8. And then you're also going to pay attention to the date that it's suggested to buy. Now, I like to go to the back of like the stack of meat and grab those, because the ones in the back are the ones that are the freshest. So you're gonna grab those. Those ones are going to expire in like a week, not in like a day. So you gotta make sure you pay attention to that. Now, I also got some strawberries, keto friendly. Not keto friendly, but Sonia friendly, because it's my favorite fruit ever, next to guayabas, but I never see them unless they're at a farmer's market. Some fresh sliced mangoes. Jude picked these little mini heirloom tomatoes. He loves these, and he seriously could not wait to eat them on the way home. Like, hey, they're not grapes. He was eating them like grapes. Speaking of grapes, I also got this medley of seedless grapes. So you have like the dark, almost black grapes, the green ones, and then also some purples. Yum. My mouth is literally watering from the mangoes. So good. I also got cowboy caviar, which is my favorite salsa. I also got the candied walnuts, which is going to be amazing on any like beet salad, pear salad, strawberry salad. So good, you guys. Also, I got this little package of olives, which I'm going to tear up after I'm finished filming this. I also got some organic fat-free milk. This is the boys' favorite. I can't drink milk because I will explode. I got some butter lettuce, which I usually buy like butter lettuce that's living on the root still, because I feel like it's still crispy and still got some life in there. But I'm gonna tear it up, so it doesn't matter. So here's a bag of butter lettuce, and it's only like $1.99. Really good price, because the living butter lettuce is like $6 or $7. I also got some 100% cranberry juice. This stuff is so strong, you guys. We had a little sip and we had to dilute it so much. Like, I feel like I will have to get like maybe halfway and then fill the rest of it with water and shake it up, because it's so strong. And I definitely recommend using the 100% cranberry juice and not the cocktail juice, because it's literally just a whole jar of sugar. I also got a Persian cucumber. I got this bell pepper, which is going to go amazing in pasta or salads. I got some lime, because this is the main ingredient in all of my salad dressings. I got a bag of organic stone ground blue corn tortilla chips to go with my cowboy caviar. So good, you guys. And lastly, I got some chocolate, because Jude was harassing me about it. So this is just the Trader Joe's crispy rice milk chocolate. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. I love seeing food hauls. And if you guys have a channel, let me know in the comments down below as well. Maybe if you guys have some time, you can check out those channels. And I would love to support other people who are here on YouTube. My friend Cristeen also does food hauls, so check out her link in the description box down below. If you guys are on Weight Watchers, or just looking for some new items to add to your grocery list. Sharing is caring, so I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!